The trim and extend commands are a powerful pair of commands, and you will find many practical, real-world applications for these commands. For example, you can use trim and extend to modify the lines on the left to create the shaft shown on the right. Start with the extend command. On the home ribbon, in the Modify panel, click the Extend tool. On the command line, the program displays the current settings. Note that by default the mode is set to Quick, which means that the program pre-selects all potential boundary objects, so you do not need to first select boundary edges. You can simply begin selecting the objects you want to extend. Each time you move the cursor over an object, you can see a preview of how the object will be extended. The direction in which the object will be extended depends on where you select it. Each line will be extended in the direction closest to the end at which you pick the object. If you click the object again, it will extend to the next boundary edge. Extend each of the horizontal lines until they match the finished shaft drawing on the right. Once you have extended all the lines that need to be extended, you are ready to start trimming. Even though you started with the Extend command, you can press and hold down the Shift key to immediately start trimming lines. And here is a tip. When extending objects, the best approach is usually to start from the inside and work your way out. When trimming lines, it usually works best to reverse the process, start from the outside and work your way back toward the innermost portions of the object. The command preview makes it very easy to see the results of your actions before you click. When trimming, as you move the cursor over the segment to be removed, the preview and cursor badge clearly indicate the portion of the object that will be deleted. Continue pressing the Shift key as you trim objects. Also, remember that you can click in an empty spot and then use a fence to trim several objects at once. When you have finished trimming objects, you can release the Shift key and then press Enter or Escape to end the command.